Hello people of YouTube. Today I am back with another video. And this video is about hatching these two dragons. You may say, what, they're 4 hours, 2 hours? Yes, and I got the gladiator on the first try. But watch. The storm dragon. I got it by breeding the doom and the wind dragon. And that's the storm dragon, everybody. Now, as for these, I am currently going to breed the Mercury and the lightning dragon. Oh, it's nothing, but I can skip it with the Chronos. This is the Chronos in action. And now I can hatch the gladiator, which is void and fire, which is basically the Lumino. And that's his baby form. That's the gladiator dragon. And now for the wind-up dragon. And I'm actually going to put the wind-up dragon in a legendary habitat. I also got the steel giant. I don't really like its baby form. It doesn't really appeal to me. I like its adult form better. Those were the three dragons that I was hatching today. And that's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Catch you later. This has been a video from Funky Ninjas. Peace. Also, thanks to JLu for featuring my village or whatever on her channel. And the reason I had so many farms was to get a lot of food and to level up my dragons, because I have two main teams, which is the Lynx of Machine and Hammerhead, and then it's the Prairie, Angie's, and Sunflower. Thank you. This has been Dragon Mania Legends. Goodbye.